This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 16, 2023. It's currently September 10th, 2023, 3:06 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file we're about to play was created on July 28th, 2023 at 1:49 p.m. Eastern Time. It's this one, file right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the 16th, we have there's like a local high here, or a move through resistance. We stay above it briefly and we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. It's a little mixed this day, and I think there's a pretty big decline at the beginning of the day. The high is a fake out of like an intentional fake out of some kind. It's supposed to kind of like shake out shorts and behavior around the low. We have an important support level on a one-day scale that we should attempt to establish by moving sideways, at least for rotating sideways at least for a little bit. I'm advised to trade around a peak that's a decline off of a peak. It'll be a sharp decline off of a peak. There's a couple of trade indications throughout the day here. When we take a look at the 1 month, we've got the unicursal overlapping the Hermit card. The Hermit card is revisiting of a support level, an important support level that we recently met once before. And when you put the unicursal into it, you've got the Fool card here, you've got the Death card here. It's very likely that there was a sharp drop over the weekend, or that there was a sharp drop in the pre-market, and then again in the first half hour, taking us to a day's low around 10 to 11 o'clock. And then there's a trade opportunity. It's a little difficult, unclear to. It's unclear how to utilize this trade opportunity right here, so I'm going to go a little bit more detail or depth before I determine that. But there's sideways fluidity along the low, and then we have a peak or a crest that forms. It'll be a prominent peak or crest, or maybe like a local high for the day. That forms within close time proximity to the low, with a notable move to the upside even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds, taking place somewhere between 11 and 12. And then between 11 and 12 we have a period of volatility and a sharp drop that stands out in that period of volatility. I think that'll take us to another low for the day, around 110-ish, 115, in a period of sideways rotation, and a sharp drop that stands out in that period of sideways rotation, followed by a big move to the upside in the last 2 hours, somewhere between like 2 and 3 most likely. A big move to the upside with a breakout of some kind here. It'll be like a fake breakout to a high for the day. And I say fake breakout because the high is an intentional fake out. Remember that. And we have this prominent move to the upside in the last hour, followed by a full retracement of that move back down, and a trade opportunity at the end of the day, followed by 3 pokes through the same price level and a sharp drop. So a pretty notable move to the downside in the post market. And then we've got a cross-read incongruency here with the Fool card again. My sense is that we likely opened lower again there. But we'll get into that in the reading for the 17th. The sneak preview card for the 17th is a truce card, which, like I said, there's a cross-read incongruency. We'll get into that in the next reading. My friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. It's super important you do so here at the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, where we ask that you donate 5% of the profits forward to a charity. One of the click here links. And then 5% of the profits back to the channel here to support the channel. Thank you very much. That leaves you with 90%, plenty of money. Make sure to spend it out of love as long as you follow those rules. That's the rule of karma for the channel. The universe considers you a angel investor of the channel, and you're going to get it back tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.